merrily down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, hi, Bee here. Welcome to my Unicorner, the coolest corner for all things unicorn. Hey, I've got a great idea. It's time to sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat in a Round. Do you know how to do that? I'll show you. Here to help are 4 friends of mine. Captain Carl. Ahoy there! Sailor Sue. Hello, hello. Patty Parrot. Squawk, singing it around. And the Unicorn of the Sea, Mr. Narwhal. Oh, hello. So here's how it works. Singing in a round is when one person starts singing a song, and then another person joins in from the beginning, then another, and another. Captain Carl will start, and then everyone else will join in when it's their turn. And you can sing along at home, too. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat. Traveling down the stream. Merrily, 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 traveling down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Wow, that was great! Now you can sing it around with your friends too. But when you do, don't forget to be bold, be you, and be unicorn! See ya!
Hey everyone, Marvy here. Wasn't that awesome? Click here to subscribe and get more awesome videos every week. Go ahead, click it. Click it. I'll wait right here.